Hello everyone, welcome back, it's Belinda here. Last month, I guess it was, I did a little video of packing up mail for my mail tier on Patreon, and from what I can tell, a number of you guys really like to see that. So I really liked doing the video, so I'm going to do it again this month. So I now have 3 people on my mail tier, so thank you so much. Your support as of all of my patrons is incredibly special to me, and I really enjoy putting together these happy mails. So this month we have a brown envelope here. I'm going to do something on the back, but I haven't done it yet, so that will be a little surprise for the people who are getting the happy mail. So I've decorated it up with some strips of paper, a splatter label, and then just done some pen doodling around that. Just something a little different, a little funky, and it was fun to do. So that's the envelope for this month. Now what's going inside this envelope? So I have here a little bag of words. There's 15 in there. Most of them are framed. Some of them are on the beetroot dyed paper, and then some aren't. Just a wee collection of bits and pieces, playing with some new stamps that I've recently purchased. Just a sheet of, or a partial sheet of, little star emoji stickers, just something cute to play with, maybe in your personal journal or in mail to your children or grandchildren or whatever, just fun. We have a math flashcard there. I recently picked these up as well, so sharing those around a little bit. These are really beautiful, really beautiful. It's a book plate, although you could use it for anything really. Designed to put your name down here. And what I didn't realise when I purchased them, I found them in a second-hand shop, is they're actually a sticker. So there's a little, well, yeah, pretty sure they're a sticker. Okay, maybe not. I'm sure one of them was a sticker, but maybe they're not. But anyway, when you receive this, if you're a Patreon Happy Mail receiver, maybe check that out to see whether it is a sticker or not. I don't want to play with it because I don't want to disturb the backing if it is. But I did think they were stickers. Okay, anyway, beside the point. So this month, I don't know, I'm losing track. I made some splatter papers on Patreon in a Patreon video. So in each envelope there will be an original. So this is the original one. Yeah, fun. Also a find in an op shop. I found this set of ballet themed notelets and envelopes. So the notelet is like that. Beautiful sort of vintage style image, and the wee envelope's got a wee flower on the back, and so one of each of those. Originally it was a pack of 10 and there were 7 in it when I bought it from a second-hand shop. As soon as I saw the ballerina I was like, yep, I'm having that, thank you very much. Again on Patreon I was playing with wallpaper, so I've got one of each type of wallpaper that I was playing with, and I haven't cut them into tags because I'm leaving the recipient for the option that they could turn them into pockets, tags, journal cards, or whatever else. So I thought if I cut them into tags, then they definitely have to be tags, although you could always trim them down, of course, but then you lose some of your wallpaper. Splatter label stickers. There's 3 here, so each person will get a set of 3. These ones were old stickers, label stickers, so you will need to add glue to them. It is the same as what I've, unburied things, the same as what I've used as the label on the front of the envelope. So a set of those, but do use glue. A couple of splatter strips that I also did in Patreon video. Now they're not straight, so you'll need to either straighten them up or tear them, or however you want to use them. I was going to back them with double-sided tape, and then I thought, but you might not want to use them like that, so I'm just giving the originals to you as they are, and then you can decide how you want to use them with all that beautiful shimmer going on. Just super fun. We have a blank clothing label and then one that is decorated. So hopefully the metal goes internationally okay, but it's still a paper-based lot of goodies. Just happens to have eyelets and a little bit of fabric or ribbon or yarn or whatever. They're all different, so just depends what I've used. So yeah, a blank one and then a decorated one just for inspiration. And it's, you know, stenciled on the back for writing on. A sheet of Hull Reinforcers, half of which I've inked with Vintage Photo, and then the other half I've inked with a blend of yellow, green and blue. So I hope you enjoy those colours. You could always go over top with a different colour if you wanted to. 3 pages out of my little instruction books that I've been working with in Trashcraft Tuesdays. So just whatever 3 pages. So there's foreign text, or you could use them to do the projects I've been doing on YouTube. Whatever you like. There's just a old dictionary, encyclopedia page. We have a wallpaper tag, which I've decorated up. Blank on the back for writing on. Super cute. Love, this is another new stamp that I've got, this bee, and so I was just trying that out. Super fun. One of the little masterboard dangles that I made on YouTube recently. So I haven't put a bulb pin or anything in, again, because of that requirement internationally that, you know, it's only supposed to be paper. So where that metal is in the tags, well, it's part of them, so I'm not going to remove it, but I'm not going to add additional metal. So you can treat that how you like. An Outpatient divider, it's not cardstock, it's thickish, not super thick, but paper, coloured paper. It's got this fun little tag. So these will be folded in half to fit in the envelope. Fun colour, beautiful bright yellow. Then each of you will get a sheet of 1947. It's kind of a combo between a newspaper and a magazine. I would describe it as a newspaper style magazine is probably how I would call it, because it's stapled, and typically newspapers are not stapled. But 1947, lots of vintage, you know, first the colour, then there's like all the vintage ads and interesting bits and pieces. Love this image of the car, but I'm trying not to be precious, and it's like it can go to somebody else to enjoy, because I've got 3 of them, of those types of publications, and I probably never get through that much, so I need to share it. So I need to not be precious about keeping, oh, but I really love that car image. No, somebody else will love it too. Okay, and then lastly we have a coffee dyed stenciled page just to complete the packet. So that's what's in the Patreon mail for June. I was like, what month are we up to? Yeah, we're in June. These are going to be sent out on Monday. So you hopefully will receive them not too long. I don't know how long mail is taking to the States right now. Johnny, if you watch that, maybe you could let me know how long they're taking to get to you. You know, is it 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month? Like, I'd be really interested to know. So that is the mail. I hope you enjoyed watching. I've had a lot of fun putting the bits and pieces together. As normal, it's a mix of handmade things and raw supplies that you can then do with what you please. If you'd like to join me on Patreon, I would love to have you on board. No pressure at all. It's not for everybody, but if you did want to support me in that way, there's currently 3 levels available, from the lowest to the highest. So the top tier gets these packets of happy mail. You can also join as a free member. There's like a 4th level free member, and I occasionally post content that is free for free members. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again soon in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.